Let's unbox this. It finally arrived, the Insta360 X5 action cam. If you're following me since a while, you know that I previously had the Insta360 One RS, which was an older model, and this one is an upgrade. And I can use it, for example, for immersive experiences. Inside the box you will find the Insta360 X5, which is bigger than I thought. I actually thought it was smaller. Look, it's almost like my hand. And if you want an objective reference, this is compared to the iPhone 14 Pro. It's a bit heavy, this is something I noticed. But if I put it on a stand, I guess that's not much of a problem. And together with the Insta360, you also have this box with some gadgets and the setup instructions. Now we're going to unpack this so I can show you what it is. But since my patience is not a lot, I will just take the scissors and cut it out. Here it is. So this is just a bag for the camera so it doesn't get scratched. Inside you can find also two things. One is the cloth for cleaning the lenses. And the other one is a USB-C. At the bottom of the camera you have the attachment for putting on a stand. Here you have some buttons for turning it on. And here you can eject the battery. I don't know exactly why you should eject it here, because there isn't a separate charger. I guess you can recharge it with the USB-C, but okay. And here at the bottom there are two buttons as well. By the way, in the same box you also find some stickers. In the same package of the instructions. And in my case, I had to add an SD card because that was not included. It took me a while to understand where the SD card goes, and it's here in the instructions. So I have to eject the battery and put the SD card inside. Okay, so this goes here. On this side here, if you open, you can plug in the USB-C. In the next video, I'm going to test this. So stay tuned, subscribe, and see you in the next video.